What's the deal, YouTube? It's Justin Trey, the Ho Gates. We back with another one. This time with a good investment. Make sure you're looking at the camera, Stink. My little boo boo here is feeling a little under the weather, so she has a keep it cool or be cool pack on her head. Supposed to bring her temperature down. We was on the road doing the most, moving around, visiting fam, and yeah. Went from Colorado to Kentucky, and elevation, climate change, stuff like that. Things happen. But anyway, we have a wonderful unboxing we will be doing today. Me and Wifey. Does Wifey want to come show herself real quick? Might want to come around.
Sorry, guys, I look crazy, but here's links.
Say something. Don't eat it. Scream one time for the one time.
You guys, he's just trying to eat the mic. Okay, I'm leaving now.
But anyway, we got a dope unboxing. For one, we bought a new Sony camera, digital camera, while we was on the road. Turn around, Stink, so they can see you. And while we was at it, we ordered a new film camera, one we've been wanting for a really long time. Mind you, we have a lot of film cameras, but this one takes the cake. Now you want to talk. You got anything to say about our new unboxing, Stink?
Yeah, but
not much to say quite yet. When I pull it out, I'm sure she'll be there.
I don't know that.
You don't know what?
The box thing.
Okay, I think they want us to get this show on the road. So, without further ado, let's get this show on the road. So let's just pray it's not broken in here. Oh, the box is smashed up. Wow. Well, Film Supply will be held liable if that is the case. Got this camera from Film Supply. We'll let you guys see what it is.
What it is.
Little beat up. I don't like that. And instead of using the knife, I guess I'll just rip the box open. Continue to rip the box open.
Me?
No, Daddy's gonna do it. You can hold this though. Hold it like that. Crazy work, honestly.
Crazy wreck.
Crazy work, right?
Crazy wreck.
I don't know what Juvie's barking at, but let's get to it.
Okay, let's get to it. Let's get to it. Ooh,
It seems to still be in stable condition inside some bubble wrap and stuff, but still, I don't know.
Mom.
Can y'all stop, please?
So this is what called that?
That's bubble wrap.
Bubble wrap.
Yeah.
These called bubble wraps.
Well, let's show what we're looking at.
Looking at bubble wrap. So it's this bubble wrap. I don't know it's bubble wraps.
A box in a box.
I don't know. My mommy did say, ooh. Mom said, ooh.
Yeah.
Let me see the mic sync. Now, I wouldn't think that Film Supply would be like rookies at shipping very expensive cameras. So, yeah, good call putting the box in a box inside some bubble wrap. I don't know who puts a hole in a box that says fragile, but shame on you, United States Postal Supply.
So, yeah, Daddy. So, yeah.
Yeah. We got some Kodak Professional Gold 200 film.
200 film.
Yeah, that should be kind of telling as to what camera we got.
Yeah.
Yeah, tell them. Face the camera, Steve.
So I don't know. I don't know why we have that camera. So I don't know. We don't have that camera.
All right, Stink. Now we can actually use the knife.
My daddy told me how to do the knife. So I don't know. Oh, my chicken.
Very unsafe. I just dropped the knife. Okay, I see some further safety precautions as I open the box from Film Supply. We'll take a endorsement or something.
Mom. Ooh. Mommy, I don't know. It's in there.
You don't know what's in there.
Yeah, yeah. So I don't know what's in there, guys. I don't know what's in there, guys. So this is my patch. The little boy was using it on her head.
What?
The little boy.
So,
Styrofoam.
so
Can you make out what it is? Maybe I opened it from the bottom.
what is it, guys?
What do you think it is?
Camera.
Yeah. Camera.
Camera, guys.
Say drum roll, please.
Drum roll, please.
Oh my God, it's so heavy.
So we have a little camera.
Have the Mamiya. Let me see that. Okay. But anyway, say we got the Mamiya. Mamiya, look at the camera. Mamiya. You're weird. We got the Mamiya RZ67. It weighs a ton.
Yeah.
Medium format.
Medium format.
It looks great. Shout out to Film Supply.
Yeah.
Have you ever seen a camera like this, Stink?
What?
Have you ever seen a camera like this?
Yeah.
Where?
Well.
I'm asking, where have you seen a camera like this before? You don't touch the lens. You always touch lenses. You have an exception with touching lens. Where have you seen a camera like this before?
I don't know.
In your dreams?
I did.
On TV? Where have you seen one like this before?
I don't know.
Oh,
I don't know, guys.
she's not sure where she's seen it before, but she's seen it before. Maybe because mommy and daddy's always obsession about it. Don't know. I don't want to try and do too much and open the viewfinder and stuff right now because I honestly don't know how to use the camera yet. But the fact that we got it, it's crazy. It's hella heavy, so I'm wondering what tripod is ever gonna hold this, but we have 10, so we'll figure it out.
I took it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I took this camera was good.
Let's get you guys a closer look. Shout out Film Supply with the mint condition Mamiya RZ67. We are investing in ourselves all the time, never stopping. New digital camera, new film camera, and it's on. Maybe after this, we'll do a video showing you guys. Wifey said to drop suggestions in the comments on different types of photo shoots we should do with this bad boy. And yeah, I was gonna say that, and maybe in another video, we could do a freaking video about all of the cameras that we have. Because we have plenty. We have cameras that we actually use, film cameras. We have 4, including this one. But in total, we probably have 7. 3 of them that we don't use. We have a freaking a video camera, whatever, a VHS camera that we got from our parents. And we got an old Canon digital camera that we don't really use like that. I think mainly because it's very bulky and we need a new lens for it. And then we have a bunch of GoPros or whatever. So yeah, maybe in another video we'll show you guys our camera collection. But anyway, drop suggestions, recommendations in the comments for photo shoots, themes and stuff that we should do with this guy. And any recommendations as to just, what to do with this big dude, or, anything revolving around the RZ67. Shout out to Film Supply. Shout out to Mamiya, or Mamiya, however you say it.